Hi, Meta from Moxa here. I'm here to demonstrate how easy it is to set up the MGate 5103, an easy-to-use Modbus to Profinet gateway. Here, we have a PC running SCADA software, and we have a VFD that's connected to a Profinet controller to control the speed of this motor. Now, to connect the VFD to our control network, we have to convert Modbus RTU protocol, which the VFD uses, to Profinet protocol, which the controller and the SCADA software use. I'm going to show you how to do all of this with the MGate 5103 in just 4 easy steps. Before we start, go to the gateway's web interface and log in with your account and password. In the main menu, there is a quick setup wizard that guides you through the configuration process. Step 1. System Settings. Assign an IP address and netmask for the gateway, then click Next. Step 2. Select Protocol. In this demo, the PLC should be set as a Profinet I/O controller and the VFD as a Modbus RTU slave. Click Next to continue. Step 3. Profinet. You can see that Role 1 and Role 2 of the MGate have been confirmed. Type in a device name for the PLC, then click Next. Step 4. Modbus RTU ASCII. Select a Modbus mode to use and enter the serial parameter settings of your Modbus slave device, such as the baud rate, parity, and which interface to use. To control the speed of the VFD in this demo, we will need to click Add to add a Modbus command. Fill in the details as needed, such as the slave ID, function code, read address, and read quantity. Click OK, then click Next to view the summary page. Finally, check to make sure your settings are correct, and then click Save. And we're done. Now we can turn the knob on our VFD to change the speed of the motor, and we can monitor this change on our SCADA software over here. Thanks for watching. To learn more about Moxa's industrial protocol gateways, click the link on your screen to see more videos.